Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will explore how to use the Wix Owner app on your phone and guide you through its essential features to manage your website and business on the go. First, start the process by downloading the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now log in with your Wix account. The main dashboard provides an overview of your site's performance, including visits, orders, and new contacts. You can manage multiple websites or create a new one by choosing the type, naming it, and exploring various setup options. For an existing site, the app shows analytics like sales and allows you to manage products and add new ones and also set their details. You can view and manage payments, loyalty points, forms, media storage, and push notifications. The Activity tab highlights tasks requiring your attention, such as setting up payments, and simplifies actions like adding products, pay links, or invoices. The inbox consolidates emails if you have set up a business email. And lastly, the Manage tab lets you connect a domain with a premium plan to view your site or share its URL. So that's it, guys. That's how you can use your Wix Owner app, and I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.